Hi there, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Edition 135 TDI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which does really give it that standout appearance. As well, it is a part of the approved used range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design, as well as the gloss black elements, such as the window surrounds and front grille. Moving towards the front now, we do find these fantastic LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these Black Edition and Edition 1 specific 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid alloys finished in the matte grey, and they are a part of the Audi Sport range. To the side now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as also keeping this overall blacked out theme. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3, where we find up to 380 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a sportback of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Moving now into the rear seats, we do find the Edition 1 half leather and Dynamica interior with the diamond quilted in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, making it perfect for family usage. Moving into the front cabin now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious interior with a large amount of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the Edition 1 model, it does mean you get the two-tone leather seats with the Dynamica centres and the Audi Sports logo. Above there is the virtual cockpit now, in which is featured two digital rev counters, as well as having access to navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation. It does also allow usage of your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we do find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Moving to the screen above once again now, we do find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors, which does make this A3 Sportback much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Sportback, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team.